Welcome to Marrakech, Morocco, a city of color, culture, and unforgettable moments. In this video, we're exploring the top places you must visit in Marrakech, from world-famous landmarks to hidden corners that define the soul of the city.
Jemaa el-Fna, the heart of Marrakech. At the center of the city lies Jemaa el-Fna Square, alive, chaotic, and full of energy. By day, the square is filled with street performers, musicians, and vendors, but when night falls, everything changes. Food stalls light up, smoke fills the air, and Marrakech truly comes alive. The Medina. Step back in time. The Medina of Marrakech is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the historic core of the city. Its narrow alleyways, ancient walls, and traditional homes offer an authentic look into Moroccan daily life. This is where Marrakech's story begins. The Souks, a feast for the senses. Step into the souks and you step into a world of color and craftsmanship. From spices and carpets to leather goods and handmade lanterns, every corner tells a story. Here, bargaining isn't optional, it's part of the culture. Koutoubia Mosque, an icon. The Koutoubia Mosque is the most iconic landmark in Marrakech. Its towering minaret dominates the skyline and serves as a symbol of the city's spiritual and architectural heritage. Bahia Palace, royal elegance. Next, we visit Bahia Palace, a masterpiece of Moroccan design. Intricate tilework, peaceful courtyards, and lush gardens reflect the luxury of Morocco's royal past. Badi Palace, echoes of greatness. Once one of the grandest palaces in the world, Badi Palace now stands in powerful ruins. Its vast open spaces and ancient walls tell a story of glory, ambition, and history. Majorelle Garden, a peaceful escape. For a moment of calm, head to Majorelle Garden. Famous for its deep blue color and exotic plants, this garden offers a peaceful escape from the energy of the city. Saadian Tombs, hidden history. The Saadian Tombs, dating back to the 16th century, were hidden for centuries. Today, they reveal beautiful marble, tile work, and stunning Moroccan craftsmanship. Menara Gardens, nature and views. At Menara Gardens, olive groves stretch toward the horizon, with the Atlas Mountains rising in the background. It's one of the best spots in Marrakech for relaxation and photography. Modern Marrakech, a different side. Beyond the ancient walls, modern Marrakech offers luxury resorts, cafes, nightlife, and high-end shopping. Here, tradition and modern life blend perfectly. Why Marrakech is unmissable. Marrakech is more than a city, it's a feeling. It challenges your senses, captures your heart, and leaves a lasting impression long after you leave. If you enjoyed this journey through Marrakech, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more travel inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which place in Marrakech would you visit first?